Hello class, happy week 10. Oh, okay, I'll try to keep this short. By the time this is up, you should have received an email with me for some week 10 homework help. I happen to think this week is a little easier in terms of the content and what you need to do. Basically, it's a dual content week for the ANOVA and chi-square analysis. So last week I kind of went over the ANOVA real quick. It's when you do an analysis of a categorical independent variable and a continuous dependent variable, and there's one problem in the homework, which is very easy. You can do that straight through the data analysis tool pack with a single factor ANOVA. Just so you know, you're looking for a p-value of 0.05 or 0.01. I believe on this problem it asks you to set it at 0.01, so make sure you remember to do that. And it asks you just to read the ANOVA table, the critical value, and the F statistics. So once you run that analysis, all the information is contained in that first row of the table, so it's pretty cut and dry. Now the chi-square analysis, we've done things with terms of pivot tables and contingency tables, and that's where the concept of the chi-square is derived from, is testing the independence of events and or variables contained within a contingency table. Now I will say this, the first problem in there, question 4, and the remaining questions that come after it will be very easy. I give you a little calculator where you just plug in the numbers from your pivot table and it does everything for you. It gives you the critical value, the test statistic, and the p-value, and it's pretty straightforward. Now there's another problem in there which has been in this class now for a while, and I particularly don't like it because it's not necessarily a contingency table or a cross tabulation of data whatsoever. And it's the sick days problem. So I basically have done the problem for you. There is a way to do it correctly, I think, but for some reason it's done manually in this course for this specific problem, and I don't know why. Anyway, to save you a lot of time and energy, the questions, I think it's like 8, 9, and 10 are all laid out for you on how to run those calculations. So, and the syntax. So don't worry about that. So it should be an easy week in terms of the homework. And after that, there's just the one Excel homework and then the final exam, and that's it. So I hope you're as excited for that as I am. Alrighty, folks, if you have any questions, shoot me an email and I will get back to you. And if you did the critical article review assignment, I will make sure I grade that in a timely manner. All right, so let's have a great week. Any questions, just ask.